25 past 7, and there's this photo I've been wanting to get for the past 30 years. So let's see if we can get it today. The sky looks good. We've got a nice sunset, or nice sunrise. Let's see if we can get this photo. I'll explain more later, but I'm a bit of a hurry because I want to catch a sunrise. Now, I was actually pleased with these two pictures that I took a few days earlier, but it's not quite the picture or video I wanted to get. So the colours are awesome, but what I wanted to see really is the sun just coming up. I want to see mist or fog in between the trees and the hedgerows. And on the day, just like you can see in this video as well, I didn't get that. I mean, you get a good overview and a clear sky from this footage, but it's not what I wanted to get. So on the day that I eventually filmed, I got a lot closer to what I want. Still not quite there, I don't think, but a lot closer. I mean, I could go down there 1,000 times and not get it. This was shot on the Mini 2, but on the day I used the Mavic Air 2. So as you can see with this footage, the sky there's no definition in the sky, and it's it's pretty shot, but it's not quite what I wanted. Right, so I'm at least 50 metres away from the road. Okay, so I'm by the main A3 road. I'm 50 metres away. So under the A2 CFC, I've got a transitional drone, and it's my separation distance is 50 metres horizontally from uninvolved people. There's no restriction as far as structures and things. So I'm going to fly here. I'm on a lay-by on a road that is pretty much never used. You might get 3 or 4 cars up here while I'm here. So let's have a go. Let's see what pictures we get. We've been trying to get this for 30 years. I'll tell you more after I've flown. Right, so never forget your pre-flight checks, regardless of how quickly you want to fly. So I'm just checking propellers, opening them out. I check the battery for any swelling. Charge is good. Gimbal's good. I'm just going to put an ND filter on it, like a really light one, because it's a bit bright, and I'll get it in the air. So, done my pre-flight checks. Let's see how we go. So as always, we're just going to do a little check that we've got control. And then we're going to take it up and away. Let's just check it over. Let's turn the turn it off. Always remember, if you're recording something, if you're recording when you land, remember to stop the recording before you turn the drone off, because if you don't, it will most likely corrupt that file. I've had this more with the Mini than I have with the with this drone, but yeah, all looks good. Bit of muck on the sensor there, look. So all looks good. Right, let's stop that. Pack it all away now. Now the actual controllers, unlike the batteries on the drone, don't need to be charged that often. Right, well, we're done for today, and now head off to work, like I should be going anyway, but it's always worth having your drone with you so that if you see an opportunity like this, you can just grab it. You might be able to take 10 minutes out of your day to get a decent shot, and sometimes it only takes 10 minutes. But if you like the video and you like this kind of stuff, I try and kind of help a little bit along the way. If you've got any questions or any suggestions on videos you'd like me to do, put it in the comments. That'd be cool. Kind of a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, whatever. If you could do all that kind of stuff, that'd be brilliant. It encourages me to make more videos, really. And if you like them, click the subscribe button or share it with a friend if you find it useful.